everyone, good morning. How are you guys? The day is not so beautiful. It is gloomy and it is really fall, guys. So as you can see, and I'm going to bring you outside, guys. Can you see it? The weather is not so beautiful, and I am preparing my coffee because we are going for a walk. Alright guys, so my coffee is here already and let's go for a walk. Hello guys, so we are now walking here at the fields and I'm going to show you the grapevine. They changed the color already. Hello guys, so look at this vineyard. The vines are changing the colors. They are now yellow and then brown. Look, this black grape, guys, or red, or how do you call it, it's turning into raisin. They didn't totally harvest, guys. We are at the vineyard nearby. Hubby and Everest are there in front of us. Hello guys, I'm not sure if you can see it, the color of this grapevine here. They are yellowish green. And where is my husband? They are brown already. I'm not sure if you can see that, guys, because I'm far. And here they are green. So I think they have different varieties of these grapevines. So can you see? The color is totally different. So this is the train track, guys. We are walking close.